Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can revolutionize your trading game, Gate.io's trading bots. If you've ever felt the sting of making emotional trading decisions, like panic selling during a dip or FOMO buying at a peak, then this video is for you. We'll explore how trading bots can help you overcome these challenges, and I'll walk you through, step by step, how to set up your very first grid trading bot on Gate.io. We'll also cover common mistakes to avoid and some pro tips on optimizing your fees. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence and knowledge to put your trading strategy on autopilot. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you how to get 20% fee rebate on futures and spot plus a welcome bonus up to $10,000 using the referral code BACKBACK in the link below. So, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a trading bot? And why should you even consider using one? Think of a trading bot as your personal, 24/7 trading assistant. It's a software program that executes trades on your behalf based on a set of predefined rules and strategies. The biggest advantage? It takes emotion completely out of the equation. We've all been there staring at the charts, heart pounding, making impulsive decisions we later regret. A bot doesn't feel fear or greed. It just follows the rules you give it day and night, even while you're sleeping or at work. This means you can stick to your strategy with disciplined precision, something that's incredibly difficult for us humans to do consistently. Bots are perfect for executing strategies that require high frequency or perfect timing, helping you capitalize on market movements without being glued to your screen. Now, Gate.io offers a whole suite of different trading bots, each designed for specific market conditions and strategies. You have futures grid, margin grid, smart rebalancing, and more. But for today, we're going to focus on the most popular and beginner-friendly option, the spot grid trading bot. So what is grid trading? The concept is actually pretty simple. It's a strategy that thrives in ranging or volatile markets that are moving sideways, up and down within a certain price range. The bot automates the process of buying low and selling high within this range. You set an upper and a lower price limit, creating a grid of orders. As the price goes down, the bot automatically buys a little at a time. As the price goes up, it sells a little at a time, locking in small profits with each pair of trades. It's a fantastic way to accumulate profit from small price fluctuations without having to predict the market's next big move. Alright, let's get practical. I'm going to walk you through setting up your first spot grid bot on Gate. The first step is creating your Gate.io account using the link in the description. When you register, make sure you enter the referral code BACKBACK. This gives you a 20% trading fee rebate on both futures and spot and unlocks a welcome bonus up to $10,000. From the main menu, hover over Trade and then select Trading Bot. This will take you to the bot marketplace. You'll see a lot of options, but we're going to click on Spot Grid. Here, you have two main choices, AI Smart Grid or Manual Creation. The AI strategy is great if you're a complete beginner. You just choose your investment amount, and Gate.io plus I will automatically set the price range and grid parameters based on historical data for that trading pair. It's a one-click solution to get started. However, for more control, I recommend learning how to use the manual setup. The first thing you need to do is select your trading pair on the top left. Let's say BTC USDT. Next, you'll set your price range. This is the most critical step. You need to define the lowest price you expect the asset to hit and the highest price. The bot will only trade within this range. For example, if you think Bitcoin will trade between 60,000 and 70,000 USD, you'll set those as your lower and upper limits. Next is the number of grids. This determines how many buy and sell orders the bot will place within your range. A higher number of grids means smaller, more frequent trades. A lower number means larger trades but less often. A good starting point is usually between 20 and 50 grids. More grids can capture smaller fluctuations but will also incur more transaction fees. Once you've set your price range and number of grids, you need to decide your total investment. This is the amount of capital you want to allocate to this bot. If you only have USDT, the bot can use a portion of it to buy BTC at the market price to get started. Finally, there are some advanced settings. You can set a stop-loss price to automatically close the bot if the price drops below a certain level, protecting you from major losses. You can also set a take-profit price to close the bot and to cash out your profits once the price hits a high target. For beginners, I highly recommend setting a stop-loss. Once you're happy with all the parameters, just click Create, and that's it. Your bot is now live and trading for you. Now that your bot is running, let's talk about some common mistakes that beginners make. The number one mistake is setting an unrealistic price range. If your range is too narrow, the price might quickly move outside of it, and your bot will stop trading, just sitting idle. If your range is too wide, your capital might be spread too thin, resulting in very small profits. The key is to analyze the chart and set a reasonable range where the price has been trading for a while. Another mistake is choosing the wrong market conditions. Grid trading works best in a sideways or choppy market. If the market is in a strong uptrend or downtrend, a grid bot might not perform well. In a strong downtrend, your bot will keep buying as the price falls, but it won't get a chance to sell, leaving you with unrealized losses. So always assess the overall market trend first. A third mistake is over-allocating your capital. Never put all your funds into a single bot. Diversify across different bots and strategies and only invest what you're willing to lose. Finally, let's quickly touch on fees because they can eat into your profits if you're not careful. Every time your bot executes a buy or a sell, a small trading fee is charged. On Gate, you can significantly reduce these fees by holding their platform token, GT, or by becoming a VIP member through higher trading volumes. When you're setting up a grid bot with a high number of grids, these small fees can add up. A 20% fee rebate using the referral code BACKBACK directly improves your net return. Use the link in the description, enter the code BACKBACK, activate your rebate, and then start building your automated strategy the smart way. So, to recap, trading bots are a powerful tool to enforce a disciplined, emotion-free trading strategy. The Spot Grid bot on Gate EO is an excellent starting point, designed to profit from market volatility by automatically buying low and selling high. Remember to choose your trading pair wisely, set a realistic price range based on market analysis, and never forget to set a stop-loss to manage your risk. Avoid common pitfalls like using the wrong strategy for the market conditions or ignoring trading fees. It might seem like a lot at first, but once you set up your first bot, you'll see how simple and effective it can be. Start small, learn how the bot behaves, and gradually scale up as you get more comfortable. Experiment with the AI settings first, then move on to manual creation to really fine-tune your strategy. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. Thanks for watching and happy trading.